Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Alright, so let's begin. First, we need to simply open up our WhatsApp, boom, just like that. And now we need to simply select the language that we are interested in, then click on this green arrow. Now click on agree and continue, and now we need to type our phone number. So now let me show you how to do it. In here click on allow. Now simply type your phone number. If you don't know what's your phone number, you can always click on right in here. Then click on allow, select your phone number, then click on next. Okay, you need to wait until everything will be made. Alright, and once you have verified, you should have something like that. But before everything, remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account right now in the settings. So let me show you where it is. Open up your settings, scroll down, or actually simply you can also click in here. You can type Google profile info. It should be right in here. No, not in here, sorry. Actually, I cannot find it, I don't know why. Okay, here it is. Google services, and in here you need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. So once you are logged into the same account, you should have something like this. Contacts and media, click on continue. In here click on allow, allow and allow. And now, as you can see, we have a possibility to restore our chats. In here you can see how long ago the last backup was made. We also have the size, and in here, as you can see, we have the Google account on which the backup was made. And it's the same mail as it is on the settings, as you take a look in here and in here. Alright, and now remember, if you don't restore your backup right now, you might have some trouble with restoring it later, so I suggest you should do it right now. Click on this green button, restore. Now you need to wait a little bit until it's downloaded. Okay, restore has been completed. Now click on next. In here under the profile info, simply type your name, and if you want, you can add the profile photo right in here. Oh, sorry, my bad. Now click on next. Okay, boom, and as you can see, all of our messages has been successfully restored, including the photos and the videos. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.